So hi guys, today is the launching press conference of the Cebu Transformation Summit. So it's all about this is really rated with the growing. I mean, it's basically one of Cebu's main industries now, the BPO, business process outsourcing. So they're having a transportation summit this May, and I'm gonna ask questions to some of the most important people who are involved with this summit.
Well, it's really to celebrate our 15 years here in Cebu. We're the pioneer, and embracing new realities was really important for us as we launched here 15 years ago. And we felt part of our 15 years taking on the digital transformation and how we'll support that. This was a great year to help co-present and be a part of the Transformation Summit.
So speaking of transformation, how has Sykes transformed after 15 years?
You know, I think part of it's just how we've grown and the different services we've taken on. Our focus on, you've heard Junsat talk about how we were less than 20 in a very small place 15 years ago. Now we're 3 locations here in Cebu, 4,000 employees strong and growing.
So are there people who've been here with you for 15 years?
There are. We have several people. We call them our pioneers. One of our success stories is one of our directors. He's been with us day one as an agent, who now manages one of our largest U.S. programs in our Robinson's Galleria Center. And so again, one of our pioneers from day one, and helps lead our future.
So Sykes also is a multicultural company now.
We are multicultural, but again, in my time here, we're very, very supportive and believe very much in the Cebuano culture and what it does for our industry.
And last, invite them to the...
Please come to the Transformation Summit. We'd love to have you all there.
The industry has grown significantly. I think based on our latest count, we're now at 150,000 direct employees. Normally, the multiplier effect is 3 times. So that means we generated additional of 450,000 indirect employees. So that's about more than half a million.
So when it comes to money, how much is that? For the economy-wise, that would be estimated?
That's a lot of money because the direct employees, almost 30 billion, and the indirect, I think it's past 45 billion, so that's a lot. 70 billion easily annually for the local economy. That's why you can see a lot of condominiums, even malls, mall expansion, and new malls. So, of course, the industry is maturing. We're not growing as fast as before, but that's expected. So, maybe last year we grew by between 7 to 10%. And that's still a very decent growth for this industry.
So how important is it to go back and get back the rankings that you used to have?
Well, it's important probably as part of the prestige of the city, because actually you can see all this innovation happening also. Like, we're very active in the startup groups, and we also have our events here. Like Geeks on the Beach started in Cebu with a tech group, and now we're even organizing a what do you call this? A mobile app venture. What do you call this? A venture capital competition, something like.
So more like another startup,
but this will be
on mobile.
Yes, focusing on mobile, and we have 2 main categories. This is about mobile application on financial applications, and the other one is for game and infotainment, information and entertainment. And there's a 3rd open category, and that will be, we're attracting the schools so that the students will be prepared for this.
There was a startup weekend recently for the younger ones.
Yeah, and this one will also be targeted for the college students as well, and for the new startups. Yeah, so there are things, and we now have the co-working spaces. We even have a building, like Avenir building is now used by these startups. Most of the small operations are starting there.
Small office, home office type.
Yeah, small office, home office concept. So a lot of things are happening that Tholons need to know that it is already here in Cebu.
Good. So in your belief, Cebu is actually in the top 10. Huh?
I think so. We will soon be coming back to that position. Yeah, I'm very optimistic.
So lastly, I mean, second to the last. What are the strengths of Cebu over the other cities? What do you think?
Well,
3 strengths.
We have a very active private sector, and we have a very cooperative academic sector as well. I think this is the only city where I can gather presidents and deans by a simple text. They don't look for an endorsement from higher authorities. Because if they believe this would be good for the academe and the industry partnership, then they come to meet with us. So that's the main advantage on Cebu. We get things done faster here because we get a lot of support and cooperation from the academe and the private sector.
And lastly, speaking of transformation,
yes.
How has the industry transformed Cebu in your since you started and then now?
We can see from the picture alone that the city has not slept anymore. That means some people are working in the day, some people are working at night. So that means it has expanded our capacity. Before we were just a day city, now we are a day and night city. And there are definitely more opportunities, more jobs, 150,000 jobs available, and the indirect jobs also. So that means more purchasing capacity of the people. So that's why we have more restaurants, more malls, and people are traveling a lot. They're buying homes and buying condominiums. I'd like to invite everybody to the main event of the IT-BPM industry of Cebu, the 2018 Transformation Summit. This is happening on May 16 at the Lapu-Lapu Ballroom of Bai Hotel in Mandawi City. So see you all.
Who should attend the transformation?
The ones who should attend are people from industry, the academe, because we need the human resource, and also the ones coming from the government to be able to track out what we need to make Cebu get in back in the top 10 of the smart cities all over the globe.
Speaking of top 10, how significant is it to go back to have a high rank for the smart city?
It's quite critical because it paves the way for more investment opportunities and at the same time moving forward to a more sustainable execution of Cebu's growth.
And another question is, why should they attend? I mean, the ones who invite.
Why they should attend, because they would be able to check out like what made Cebu, what would make Cebu get back in the top 10, and also like hearing out with all those personalities who will be coming in as speakers regarding this AI thing, and at the same time checking out like what are the opportunities for investment and jobs here in Cebu in ICT.
So speaking of transformation, what kind of transformation does Cebu need to go back, let's say, to top 5?
We're talking about embracing artificial intelligence, embracing digitalization, and keeping some kind of an open mind to ICT.
And finally,
I'd like to invite you all to the upcoming Transformation Summit this May 16, 2018 at Bai Hotel, that's in Mandawi City.
So if you're in the BPO industry, you better check it out because it's an awesome event that you have to be in, because yes, it involves a lot of the BPO industry that's been growing. That has been a pillar of Cebu's growth actually in recent years. So if you're in the BPO industry, if you're interested, if you're in the industry that's related to it, you better go there or tell your boss to go there because it's going to be awesome. And also for students who, especially senior high, this is also for you because a lot of people now are considering a career in the BPO industry, and this Transformation Summit will be beneficial for you. So learn more, what are the trends, what are the things that you need to study so that when you graduate from school, you'll be adept on what the industry needs, what skills. So check it out, the Transformation Summit. So thank you for watching and keep on watching my daily vlog.